Fxalexg trading strategy. So I want to go over some of the setups that I missed today, but I'm going to also give you my insight on what's going to be happening next, probably in a couple of days or maybe next week. But I want to just go over the pairs that I missed out this morning. I missed out on some good setups, and it is what it is. But there's still some good setups that's going to be coming here next couple of days or maybe next week or two. So as you can see right now, I'm in some trades right now. I'm in Euro NZD, and then I'm also in a Euro odd trade right now, and all together I'm up about $2,000. And yeah, we're doing pretty good on these trades. And by the way, before I even dive into the charts, if you guys want to copy my trades automatically to your account, hands free, I'm doing a special for a limited time only where you can copy my trades automatically to your account for $150 for the first month. Most of you guys know I charge $500 per month, but if you guys want to test me out, save a little bit of money, see what I'm all about, and see how much money you could make for the first month, it's only $150, and I'll set you up where you can copy my trades automatically over to your account. You can also copy my trades to pass your challenge as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts real quick. So one trade that I missed out on today was NZD/USD. What I was waiting for, and as you can see, I have the lines already set. Like I was looking for this. So basically, we was down here, all right. Before all of this, we was right here, and specifically last night, I was waiting for price to come up here and tap into the zone right here and take the trade from here. And look what just happened. Right here was the perfect entry to the downside. We could have called, how many pips that is? Let me see. We could have called, let me we could have called about 60 pips. We could have called 60 pips on this trade on NZD USD trade here. We missed out on it. But what I'm thinking about, what I'm thinking that what might happen next, maybe we could see another push to the downside. Maybe I'm not, you know, I'm not saying that it will happen like this, but we could see another pullback up in here, right, to the downside. Maybe. All right. So that could happen, but once price get up into the zone here, you guys already know that some of the strategies that I use is from what I learned from Fxalexg. So once price get up into the zone right here, I want to see the strategy play. So basically, I want to see a uh, a 30-minute shift. All right, I want to see a 30-minute shift, and then I want to see a bearish 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour engulfing. Once I see that, once I see the 30-minute shift, and I see a 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour, or 4 hour bearish engulfing, I'm taking the trade to the downside. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look at another some other pairs. So that's what I'm looking at right now so far. We could see that. Let's matter of fact, let's check out the daily real quick and see what that. Yeah, so we could see on a daily, a little pullback, a daily wick up here to the downside. Yeah, so yeah, I think we could make that happen. But let's go to another pair here. Missed a couple of setups, so let's see. Yep, another good setup right here. I missed. I even got it marked up here. This is what I was anticipating to happen. And this was drawn up last night, right? And look at this. It came, broke the zone, pulled back into my zone. We could have got in a trade right up here and took it to the downside. So what I'm thinking now, let me see what could happen. Let's see. Let me go to the weekly here. I want to see. Let me see if we see any. What could happen? We could see some type of pullback. Let me go back over here. What is daily? Well, this is playing out right now as we speak. So what I'm saying, like what I'm thinking, what could happen. Let me get rid of this here. On your NZD, we could again have a pullback. Let me see. Where is my? We could have a pullback to here, to there. We could see something like that. Yeah, we could see something like that. Pull back into the previous market structure and have a pullback to the downside. We could have something like that. I'll even put a 4-hour support and resistance here. Boom. We could see something like that. Maybe I'll look for a zone later throughout the day to see where we could see that rejection. Because we are in a downtrend. We are, like, if you look at the weekly, we are bearish. All right. If we look at the daily, we're bearish. We look at the 4-hour, definitely bearish. So we should be looking for sales unless price breaks this lower high and create unless the daily, the 4-hour create a higher high. We're bearish right now at the moment. So that's another trade that I missed out on. Let me see. I'm gonna show you guys. See if we can find some more pairs that I missed out on. Okay, another trade that we missed out on is Nzdcad. Weekly bearish, daily bearish, right? The 4-hour bearish. Okay, so I missed this trade because again, I was waiting for price to come up here into this zone right here and get in a trade from here. Missed that. So it was so many opportunities that I missed this morning, but I feel like we're gonna have some more opportunities coming very, very soon. Let's go to the weekly real quick. I want to see if we can see any type of resistance, support and resistance at this level. So I'm seeing rejection. Yeah, maybe we can get a rejection off of this level here. This is weekly. Maybe we can see a rejection off of that level because I'm seeing resistance here, and I'm also seeing resistance here as well. Resistance here. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of resistance levels there, and then also support here on this level. So this level right here is definitely a strong level right there. Let's see if we can find something on the daily here. Let's see if this is a good level. I think this is a good level right here too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me a level here. And by the way, guys, again, if you guys want to copy my exact trades automatically over to your account, hands-free, I'm doing a special where you can copy my trades automatically to your account for $150 for the first month, then $500 a month every 30 days after that. But we're gonna put one right there. And this is how I draw my zones. I think this is a good level right here to either sell off of. Okay. So that's another level that I'm looking to buy off, sell off of. If I'm not saying that's gonna happen like that because price could just keep going to the upside. Oh, oops, let me bring that back. But as you can see, this is a strong level of support and resistance. If we even drag it all the way over here, you'll see this level is being respected. As you can see, a lot of resistance right there in that level, a lot of resistance here. So yeah, we could draw it back all the way back over here. You'll see that price is rejecting this level here. As you can see, look at this level here. Price reject. We're going all the way back. This is back in 2022. As you can see, this level, a lot of resistance in that level, right? But let's go back. So what could happen? Let me get rid of this. I'm trying to get rid of this. Okay. So what could happen? Boom. Get a little retest right here to the downside. That's what could happen next. But I'm not saying that's gonna happen like that. But once if you learn from FXAlex, if you know how FXAlex trades, you'll know once price get up here, you just don't take the trade. You gotta wait for the strategy. All right, you have to wait for once price get up into this level here. You want to wait for a 30-minute shift, and then you want to enter off of a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour bearish engulfing. Once you get that bearish engulfing, then you can take the trade off of that. Take the trade. Okay. So once price get up into the zone, um, I'm not just gonna take the trade. I'm just wait for the strategy to play out. And matter of fact, I'm gonna put a alarm here as well. That way I know price. That way I can get an alert um, when price get to that area. So that's gonna be an area of interest right there. I'm gonna save it. So yeah, so that's another trade that this is another trade that I missed out on this morning. So it is what it is, but we'll catch the next move. Let's see. Did I miss out on any other trades? Let's see. Okay, I need to finish setting this up. That's the 4 hour. I need to make this as a lower low. Okay, lower low. So maybe what we could see happen off of this one as well, since we are in a downtrend, we could see price come back up here, tap into this. Could be another trade right there on GBPUSD. So I'm gonna make an alarm to let me know. And remember, I'm not gonna just take the trade once price get up there. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta upgrade. But yeah, so like yeah, if we could take a trade off of there, maybe. We'll see. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly is definitely bearish. Daily bearish. 4 hour bearish. Okay, now what could happen though on a daily? We could see a pullback if you want to if price if the strategy don't play out at this zone. What we could see happen, we could see price come back up here and then go back to the downside. All right, that's what could play out. I gotta look for any maybe we could probably do that right now. Let me get rid of this though. Let me move this back so I can have some room. So let's see here. What could happen? We could see. Okay, so we could see something like this. Based on the weekly, this is a good resistance area here. Okay. Yeah, we could see a good resistance. So we got a resistance here, resistance, support. Yeah, so we could see that area. Mark that as a weekly resistance area. Let's look at the daily, see if we can get more precise on this level here. Yeah, we could see another. Yeah, this area right here could be another good area here for support and resistance. Right there, because as you can see, over here, price is rejecting this level here. We're seeing some rejection here. Okay, so yeah, I think that's a good area right there. Let me go back, and maybe we can draw our zone right here. This is another area of interest. Another support and resistance. So yeah. So yeah, this could be another support and resistance area of interest that we could look to trade off of. So if we, again, we could either see, we could even see something like this, like that. So those are the two areas that I'm looking to trade off of if we can continue to show bearish movements. As you can see, you know, we can get a little small pullback up into the zone, take it to the trade, or we can take a trade off of this level here to the downside. So there you go. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Um, so yeah, that could play out. That definitely can play out. I think yeah, this is the trade that I was in yesterday. I got out of the trade. Fxalexg was also in this trade as well. It came back down to the zone level and then shot back up. So he should be back in profit. All right, so now odd NZD. Now this just created a higher high. Now we was creating lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, we was creating what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we just created a higher high. Okay, so now we're going bullish based on the 4 hour. So I need to update these lines here, and I need to change this to higher high, and then I need to change this to higher low. And all of what I'm doing is what I learned from Fxalexg. You can learn Fxalexg strategy all on YouTube for free. All right. He has a lot of videos that he shows his strategy, shows how he trades right on YouTube. So if you don't have the money to invest, just go through all of his videos and just go through all his videos and study it. Keep study it after study it, and just you'll get it eventually. All right, so yeah, we just created a higher high. We created a higher low here. So what could happen? We could have a small retest off of this level here. Yeah, we could have a small retest level off of there. Yeah, we already have a weekly level of support and resistance level right there, but we can also now Fxalexg don't teach this right here, but sometimes I draw my support and resistance on the 4 hour too as well. So right here, boom. So what I could do is I can get rid of this big zone. We don't really need this big zone here. I can get rid of that. All right. Minimize that. Okay. And what I could do is we could make this a zone right here. A support and resistance level zone right here. Okay. As you can see, there's support and resistance level. Price is respecting this level here. Yeah, we're getting a lot of, as you can see, rejection off of there. Resistance here. All right, so yeah, we could get a pullback, and the cool thing is that this is also previous structure point. So if we can get a wick down to this level here, we can probably take this trade to the upside. And I'm not saying that it will happen like that, but that's what it could play out. So like what I would do is, maybe do something like that. Or something like that. Maybe break it down to the 30-minute. Yeah, make it to the 30-minute. Maybe something like that. Yeah, and then take it to the upside. You know, go for 1 to 2.5. Yeah, I'm not saying it's gonna play out like that, but remember, um, we have to, once price gets down here to this level, we have to apply the strategy. All right, you have to look for a 30-minute shift, and then you want to look for a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour bullish engulfing, and then we take the trade. So that's what could play out. You know, that's what could play out for our NZD. There's definitely a bullish engulfing right here, but I want to see a pullback, and then I want to see a 30-minute shift, and then I want to see another bullish engulfing. And we could take that to the trade. Okay. Um, what's this here? I think we went over this, right? Did we went over this? I don't know. Did I? All right. So I got two scenarios here on your CAD. All right. So on your CAD, we could see. Hmm, I feel like well, there's two scenarios. All right, it's two scenarios. You could see something like this, all right, or based on the daily, we could see something like this. Get a pull back up into the zone that can take. This trade could take for this, in order for this pullback to happen, this can take up to, like, 1, 2, 3, like 3 or 4 days. So that this could play out next week, if we're going based off of the daily pullback. Okay. Um, that's your CAD that we just looked at. Um, what is this? JPY. So yeah, we're creating higher highs and higher lows on the weekly. So this could be a continuation on the weekly, and we look at also on the daily. We're getting some rejection on the daily off of this area of interest. Yeah, this is just going sideways right now, so that's not showing me anything. I don't want to make this video too long. Um, Based on the daily, let me see. Are we creating higher highs and higher lows? No, we just created a lower low, so I need to update this. Oops. Let me bring that back. I'm trying to click the. Alright, I need to bring this down to the low. Maybe bring this down here. So yeah, I need to change this. I need to update that. Bring that to a lower high. So yeah, what we could see. Now this could, like, again, if we're looking at the daily chart, then this can take 1, 2, 3, 4, like, 3 to 5 days for this to play out. Yeah, this could take definitely. This is not gonna happen until next week, unless, like, there was a big movement and there's a lot of momentum in the market. But this could take like 3 to 5 days to happen, to to see this pullback happen, and then maybe we can catch a trade to the downside off of that level. Again, you want to apply the strategy. If you don't know Fxalexg strategy, go to his YouTube channel and watch all of his videos and put it all together. You'll know. Um, yeah, so that could happen right there for Gbpusd. What is this? Cat Chef. Yeah. Let's look at gold. Gold has been showing some bearish movements here. We missed the opportunity here. Low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. Maybe we could see a pullback into this level here. All right, we could see something like that. I got some 1 hour support and resistance level, but mainly when it comes to Fxalexg strategy, you want to buy and sell off of a daily or weekly support and resistance level. I just got that there just as see where price could struggle at. So I think I have a zone here. Yeah. So what we could see, if we're basing this off of a daily again, you could see something like this to take about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could see this taking like like 4 or 5 days to get back to this level here, the previous structure, and then like that. So that could take 3 5 days right there to get to make that pullback based on the daily. But if you look at the 4 hour, you could see a minor pull back into this support and resistance level that I have right here at this yellow line, and then back to the downside. But again, you just probably apply the strategy. So yeah, that's that. BTC, what BTC at? 92, 93,000. Wow, man. BTC is just going up like crazy. But yeah, guys, that's let me see. Did I miss anything? Um, yeah, we could see something over here. I don't think I have showed you NZD Chef. Um, and if you guys are getting value, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. But like I said, if you guys are interested in just copying my trades automatically over to your account hands free, making it easy for you, making you profits, doing a special where you can copy my trades for automatically for $150 for the first month, and then $500 every 30 days after that. Let's see. Let's see if we can find a level here. But I'm gonna look at the daily. I'm gonna look at the weekly. See if we can find a level. Yeah, we already have a weekly level right here, but it came back up and we test that level anyways. So let's look at the daily. So in this case, I'm just gonna look at the 4 hour level, see if I can find some level. So I already see a level that I see right now based on the 4 hour. So this is like if you want to take like a day trade. So boom, I see a level right there. As you can see, there's resistance here, there's support here, there's support right here, there's resistance there, support. So this is a strong level right here. Let's see if I can find another level off of. Yeah, maybe that could be a good level right there. If we go back, yeah, this could be a good level right here. Right there. So yeah, I could probably make a level there. Now, like I said, guys, based on Fxalexg strategy, this right here doesn't apply. So if you're drawing support and resistance on the 4 hour, then that's not Fxalexg strategy. But I do it just to add more confluence to my trading style. Mainly, I want to look for weekly, daily support and resistance, but sometimes I also do 4 hour daily, 4 hour support and resistance, and sometimes even maybe 1 hour support and resistance. So that's a level right there. And you might be wondering, so why would you do a 4 hour, support and resistance? Sometimes you can catch some good trades off of the 4 hour, and sometimes the 4 hour support and resistance lines up with the daily. Just you know what I'm saying? So that's a level that we could see a pull back into. We could see. Let me delete this first. So yeah, this is another move that I missed out of. I could have got in up here and took it to the downside, but didn't take it. I was asleep. But what we could see, we could have a tap into the zone right here, back into the previous structure, to the downside on NZD Chef. Okay. Um, based on the daily, though, we are kind of technically bullish. That's another thing you got to pay attention to. You want to look at the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour and see if there's at least 2 hours, not 2 hours, but at least two time frames in sync. right? You want to have at least, so if I'm looking for buys, I want to have at least, the 4 hour or the weekly or the daily to be bullish. Okay. But this what could happen. All right, because look like on the 4 hour we are going into a downturn. We was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then we just created a lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so we could have a tap into this zone here, onto this a tap into the 4 hour support and resistance zone here, and then back to the downside. Okay. Um. Same thing for IUSD. Same thing like with the pairs that I already showed you with the USD pairs. It's kind of the same. CAD, same. Let me see. Yep, same here. I think I showed you that already. I'm trying to show you guys another pair that I did the 4 hour. I drew where I drew my 4 hour like as you can see right here. Boom. This is what. Look at this. Look at this. This is what I was looking. This is today right here, right? I was looking. I drew this zone here. This right here, the lower low, and I wanted price to come into this 4 hour support and resistance. As you can see, because you might be wondering why you don't do the, why you don't have the daily or the weekly support and resistance. But as you can see, sometimes the 4 hour support and resistance are major levels as well, where you have your area interest. As you see, I have two 4 hour support and resistance lines right here, and I made this into a zone. That was a good level to sell off of. So don't just don't let 4 hour support and resistance go over your head. Like it can be some major levels. Okay, so I just wanted to show you an example of me using a 4 hour support and resistance, how powerful it can be when it comes to price getting to certain areas. Okay, but with that being said, guys, I'm Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. If you did get some value, let me know. But let's take a look here. I think we're up. We should be up a lot more. Let me do this real quick and update this real quick for you guys. I should be up at least 3,000. Yeah, this is updated right here. Yeah, so I'm up almost 3,000 here. As you can see, profits, 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 profits. Profits, 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 profits. And like I say, guys, you can copy my trades automatically over to your account. I'm doing a special, $150 for the first month. And after that, 500. After I prove to you and show you guys exactly how much you could be making, which you can make way, 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 way more than $500. You can make a lot of money. I'm telling you right now. So, with that being said, I'm Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.